Planning to visit Rome during the Jubilee? You're in for an unforgettable, once-in-a-lifetime experience. But there are some things you need to know in order to properly prepare. Welcome back to our Guide to Rome series. I'm Tatiana from the Roman Food Tour, and in this episode, we're going to walk you through what to expect if you're planning a trip to Rome in 2025 during the famous Jubilee. The Jubilee is a major Catholic event that takes place every 25 years. The extraordinary event, also known as the Holy Year, is hosted in Rome and is one of the most important events in the whole of Italy and perhaps the entire world. During the Jubilee, the Eternal City transforms into a place of faith, tradition, and culture. Pilgrims are offered spiritual enrichment and the chance for plenary indulgence. Alongside special prayers, masses, and processions, pilgrims are invited to participate in a pilgrimage and to pass through the holy doors at the city's 4 major basilicas: St. Peter's, St. John the Lateran's, St. Mary Maggiore, and St. Paul's, which are only opened during this time. Passing through the holy doors symbolizes one's transition from sin to grace, leading to spiritual renewal. And pilgrims from all over the globe will be coming to Rome to experience this very unique and very special opportunity. 2025 Jubilee starts on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December in the year 2024, and will run throughout the year of 2025. It is scheduled to end on the 14th of December, 2025. Visiting Rome during this time means there's going to be a festive atmosphere all over the city, exciting events, plenty of special masses, and lots of tourists and pilgrims visiting from all over the world. In other words, Rome is going to be busy. Expect crowded streets, long lines at famous sites such as the Colosseum and Vatican, and heightened security measures. Moreover, during the lead up to the event, you might see some major sites under renovation, like the Trevi Fountain. I'm just about to join the queue to go and visit it, which starts down there. During this time, while they're restoring it, they constructed a temporary platform, and it's going to provide an extremely unique and fun way to see the famous fountain. Let's go! This renovation is expected to end at the end of 2024. So if you're visiting Rome during the first few days of the Jubilee, as in the last few days of December, you will get to experience this very unique opportunity of seeing the Trevi Fountain up close. As you can see, they're working on the base of the fountain, so there's no water underneath me, and this platform brings you right up to the statues themselves. Oh, it's incredible. Now, what all these renovations mean for the Jubilee itself in 2025 is that you'll be seeing all of Rome's historical sites in pristine condition, and you'll be seeing much less graffiti than normal. Don't get me wrong, the Jubilee is a once-in-a-lifetime event and a very special time to visit the Eternal City. You'll just have to plan accordingly to make your journey as smooth as possible and your trip as enjoyable as possible. Number 1, plan ahead. We recommend booking your flights, accommodation, and transportation well in advance, as availability may be more limited than usual. And we also highly recommend booking tickets to major sites such as the Colosseum and the Vatican museums in advance as well, and perhaps going either early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the largest crowds. For more tips and tricks on booking your tickets and when and how to visit the Colosseum, check out our Colosseum video. Rome is a city brimming with history and culture, and there are so many more things to see aside from the Colosseum, Vatican, and Trevi Fountain. And since those sites are going to be particularly busy this year, this might be the perfect time for you to explore Rome's lesser known attractions, such as its parks and smaller museums. One of my favorite places to visit is the Galleria Doria Pamphili, located on Via del Corso. It houses astonishing works of art, and it also has this beautiful courtyard cafe where you can sit, sip on some prosecco, and take a break from the hustle and bustle of Rome. It's also a great time to visit Rome's vibrant neighborhoods like Prati and Trastevere for a taste of local life. To explore the food and culture of those neighborhoods with a local guide, join us on a Roman food and wine tour. You'll find more information in the description box down below. Another piece of advice is to dress modestly. Whether you're participating in Jubilee events or simply sightseeing, remember that these are places of worship for many. So always make sure to dress modestly and to act respectfully. You won't believe it, but there's actually a Jubilee application that you can download onto your phone. It provides useful information regarding navigation and event schedules. It's the perfect way to stay updated of impending events when certain sites, especially around the Vatican City, are going to be especially crowded. And there you have it, our tips and tricks to ensure that your visit to Rome during the Jubilee goes as smoothly as possible. With a little preparation and a sense of excitement, you'll get to soak up all the magic that this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity has to offer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more tips and tricks on the food and culture of Rome. And also, don't forget to join us on a Roman food and wine tour. We look forward to seeing you soon, and arrivederci!